Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to compare two YouTube channels side by side using view stats. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser like Chrome or Opera Mini. In the search bar, type view stats and hit enter. Click on the first link that shows up in the search result. Once you are in the view stat homepage, click the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, tap More Tools, then select Compare Channels. Now, click Change on the first channel box. Search and select the first channel you want to compare. For example, we'll use Mr. Beast. Next, click Change again for the second channel box. Search and select the second channel. This could be your own channel or any other. Once both channels are selected, you'll see a side-by-side comparison of their daily views, monthly views, yearly views, revenue estimates, and subscriber growth. You can switch between views, subs, and earnings using the top filters. Use this to track how your channel stacks up against competitors or analyze growth strategies from top creators. If this video helped you, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.